Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm doing a home vlog for the first time in a long time because there's something I want to talk about before my next theme park vlog. But before I do that, check out this littlest, cutest baby. Hi. She's in a scratch mode. Those are the blinds, sweetie. Oh, she's so cute. Come here. So, as you guys saw in my video, I went to a Met game a couple weeks ago because I went back home to New Jersey to go help my dad move a few things. He's not moving yet, but we were just trying to get the house in order whenever that time comes. Check out what he found that he gave to me. He gave me an old school video camera called the Panasonic PV-L679. And check this beauty out. It's legit amazing. Just look at this. Here's the piece for the eye, which we don't use really anymore. This is what got me hooked onto video cameras, is seeing my dad use them for so many years. This wasn't even his first one. He had the one with the VHS over the shoulder, which he still has in the shed back at home. Hasn't gave me that yet, but he gave me this one. And just wow. And I actually have been taking some videos with this lately, and I've been kind of thinking, how cool would this be taking this to Walt Disney World or to SeaWorld or anything? Like right now I have it on. If only you guys could see what it's really like filming in this little slot. Like, I'm currently filming right now and it's in black and white. But when you open the LCD screen, it is in color. But apparently, if I remember, the LCD screen drains the battery faster. So it's just such a wild camera. It really is. So how would you guys feel if I took this to a Disney park just to take some videos around the park with this beautiful camera? I know I'm totally gonna be stared at, which I expect that. But just how cool would that be, taking a old school video camera and just say go to Animal Kingdom and film Pandora with an old school camera, which Pandora wasn't around when these type of cameras were a thing. It's just the thoughts of that, like going to Tron, taking this type of camera to a place like Tron at Magic Kingdom and filming with an old school camera. Taking this to go film SeaWorld and just film Tom the Mime with this type of camera. Like, it's just the thoughts of bringing this type of old school camera to the theme parks, and I'm thinking about doing it. So what are your guys' thoughts of me potentially bringing this beautiful camera to a theme park? I'm very close to doing it. Now, this is a Panasonic PV-L679. So, yeah. And it also takes, look at this, wait for it. See this? It says tape eject. Tape eject. Why isn't it ejecting? Give me 1 sec. Now it's on VCR mode. Alright, tape eject. Why isn't it not ejecting? Oh, there it goes. Look at that. No memory card. It's a tape. And I do have the adapter for this tape. I actually have been recently converting these type of tapes for my dad and putting them onto a hard drive because we just don't want physical media really anymore. So hang on 1 sec. Here are the tapes that type of camera uses. Just look at that. That's just so old school. And here's the adapter to put the tape in to make it into a full VHS. And how I transfer the files is I use a program called Elgato Video Capture, which I have the cord to connect to the VCR to the computer, and then I just hit record and it converts it to an MP4 file. And thank God for that program, because it has saved my life with saving a lot of it's been saving my life to save a lot of VHSs that we have, and I'm just very thankful for Elgato Video Capture. Such an easy program to use. I highly recommend using them if you guys are looking to transfer your VHSs. It's such a great program. But yeah, what are your thoughts on me potentially taking this type of video camera to a Disney park? Especially to a place, again, like I mentioned, that these lands weren't around when we would have these type of cameras like Pandora, Tron. It's just such a cool thought. Like right now, camera is on. And I just hit record. Super cool. But you know what? Let's take a quick trip to the pool real fast, and then we'll talk some more on the way. It's just the fact that I could convert these files and create content for you guys with this type of camera. It's amazing. So I think when I go to SeaWorld one day next week too, which I am going back to SeaWorld, I haven't been in quite some time to do a video. But first I am doing a Disney vlog. I think it's going to be really cool to do a comparison video of current video camera versus old video camera. It's just brain blasting and doing something different with the channel. I think it's going to be fun. So yeah, me personally, I think it would be a lot of fun to take an old school video camera to a Walt Disney World or SeaWorld Orlando park and just have fun with it. Alright, let's head to the pool for a little bit, shall we? Let's see. Oh yeah, it was definitely nice. Oh, look at that. This is with the GoPro, by the way. Oh yeah, that feels really nice. So yeah, I think it would be, like I said, a lot of fun taking an old school video camera to a theme park in Orlando for sure. Like I mentioned, I just think it would be fun taking it to a place where nobody has used a camera like that before. I'm sure people have brought old cameras to the parks, but I just want to do it, so I think it'd be a lot of fun. What an awesome day for the pool today too. It is definitely a hot one. And honestly, I don't like going to the parks that much in the heats, but no. I feel like I haven't been going much this year, so it's time to start going back. Now we have come to the conversion part. You need the tape adapter, of course the tape, computer, don't mind the background, this is my older computer and I have not updated this since Christmas. And of course you need a VCR player if you know what that is. And the program Elgato Video Capture. Right here. This program again has saved my life with saving my VHSs. So you get to label it, put it how long you want the film to be. Like I know this tape is only a 30-minute tape, but it's not that long. I've only used a little bit of it, so we're gonna start it. I'm just gonna say everything looks good. We're gonna hit actually preference to see where it's gonna end up. Gonna have it go to my hard drive, which is Seagate. We're gonna just do a new folder called new folder. Okay, that's where my file is going to end up. Hit continue, and then it's gonna ask you if you're gonna be using S-Video or composite or CA cable, which is yes, that's what I'm using. And then always for VHSs, use 4 and 3. Because 16:9 widescreen. It's not good for older quality. 4.3 is the way to go for VHSs. And then it's going to make sure that the volume is ready to go. It looks like it's working. Alright, tape is ready to go. Just like a regular VHS. You hit play. And I'm going to hit start recording just before the video starts because I could just edit that. Now we patiently wait for the video to start. And there's my video I started recording. Wahoo! Alright, now we just wait. At my complex with the Panasonic, the zoom there is really nice on this camera. This is going through the viewfinder. And this right here is using the LCD screen. And here is using the maximum zoom on my GoPro Hero 10. Now the quality is better, but the zoom is better on the video camera, which is crazy. That's why I film with the modern video camera today versus an SLR, which I might be upgrading very soon. We'll see. It's in the works. But yeah, what a difference. Right now I currently have the video camera in VCR mode and I have the tape rewinding because I'm actually going to transfer the tape to the computer soon, so I can get the files off of this tape. Just amazing. You can hear the tape rewinding too. So cool, I love this. So that's a brief tutorial on how to use Elgato Video Capture, and again, this program has saved my life with let me save my VHSs, which I have them all backed up now on a Seagate hard drive. Very thankful for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of a home vlog. I wonder if you guys think that this is a good idea to take a video camera like this to an Orlando theme park. I think it would be a lot of fun just to get different quality of videos and show what it's like to bring an old school video camera back from where it's been forever to an Orlando theme park and just have fun with it. Alright, if you guys are new here, please subscribe, ring that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This video is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this home vlog. I will see you guys in the next one.